Okay, welcome back to Where's Lara Now? And I have my friend Corinne with me, and she does something that a lot of people do, but not a lot of people do. She sells Scentsy and Avon. Anything else? Or that's
No,
it?
that's
okay,
it.
just those two.
Please.
Right. But she brought me a gift. It's from Scentsy. Right there. So, and sorry, I had to take a picture before I show you what I got, because, well, you might have figured out right there. I don't know. Or right here. If you look really closely. Here we go. What is it? Can you see that? Can you see it? There it is. That's right. It's a sorting hat warmer. So what Scentsy is they have warmers, and then there is wax that's scented. Scentsy, scented, get it? Play on words. Anyways, so they have a lot of collections. This is the Harry Potter collection. So you see that. There's me, Ravenclaw. So anyways, we're going to do an unboxing. So not only do they have Harry Potter stuff, they are coming out soon. This video is, today is Sunday the 19th of July. This video is probably not going to come out for another 2 weeks. But I think, Corinne, you said there's something dropping.
Oh, wait, no.
Is there something dropping on Monday?
Spider-Man's dropping on.
Spider-Man. Are you a fan of Spider-Man? The new Spider-Man movie's coming out.
Yes.
I'm not going to lie, I've never watched any of them, but I've gone to a few movies recently, which you all know, because I just back-to-back put 3 movie reviews up just a few days ago. And, yeah, that Spider-Man movie looks actually pretty good, but I'm not going to lie, I haven't watched it. So, anyway, so here we go. This is the sorting hat. Okay, so here is the top. We want to be careful. Oh, look at how cute he is. Let me grab my little table. Okay, I'm going to set that down. All right, so here is the bottom portion.
Yeah, this one's an element warmer, so there's no light.
Okay, so yes. So some of them have they light up because there's light bulbs. So Corinne just said this is an element warmer, which means the heat comes from
A warming plate.
a warming plate that's in here when you plug it in and you turn it on. So we're not going to have any lights, but Corinne says it makes some sounds. Hold on, we'll be right back. All right, so we're back. I paused it so I can put the sorting hat together. So here's the warming plate.
Mm-hmm.
Here's the top, and so your wax goes in here. See, right there, in this little well, which is about 1 inch deep and about 3 inches in diameter. So right now you can't see it, but I will pick it up. And it has a little switch right here. Okay, so I just noticed
LED, yeah,
that it lights up from underneath. So it's kind of, it glows from the bottom. Okay, so here we go.
Brave at heart, daring, better be Gryffindor!
Oh my gosh, it turns red! Okay, let's see what happens next.
Ah, yes, a ready mind. You belong in Ravenclaw!
Ravenclaw, I'm
There you go.
Ravenclaw, Ravenclaw in the house. How cute. Okay, what comes next? What do you guys think? Is it Hufflepuff or Slytherin?
Slytherin.
When I love Harry, I'm a huge Harry Potter fan. I'm a Ravenclaw. I have a robe and I go to Universal in my robe. But when I do Harry Potter stuff on Facebook, I put 4 little hearts to love something. And I always do, even though I'm Ravenclaw, I do Gryffindor first. Because if it wasn't for Gryffindor, we wouldn't have Harry Potter, because Harry Potter is a Gryffindor anyway. So I do red, blue, yellow, green. So what comes next? What do you guys think?
Just and loyal. True. Yes,
It's
clearly.
Hufflepuff. So my sister over at Planet J. Judah, this one's for you.
Cunning. Shrewd. Let's see. Slytherin.
There you go. Oh my gosh. Okay, so there's 4.
Yeah.
Brave at heart. Daring.
So we have the
Better
4.
be Gryffindor.
So, oh my gosh, this is
Yes,
so
I'll start over.
cute. Oh, how cute. And then it is open in the back because it's Scentsy. It has scent. And this line, because I did sell Scentsy for a little tiny bit. This line has the different scents for the different houses. And so,
The
but
flavor is still available.
if you want fresh linen or whatever coming out of here, you can do that. So when it's on, it is lit. So there's a glow underneath the little table that it sits on. So how cute is that? So this is awesome. So I actually will be putting Corinne's information on her Scentsy and her Avon. I'm going to shamelessly plug her so that if you are interested in something like this or any of the other stuff, like I said, Spider-Man, there's a Spider-Man Scentsy. There's, did you say, Pirates, right?
Pirates of the Caribbean, yes.
Is next month?
Chest. That's coming out next month.
Yeah, so Pirates of the Caribbean. And ironically, Hallmark is coming out with a Pirates ornament around the same time. They're dropping around the same time, both of those. And what else? Is there...
No, but I was just looking to see what they still had available.
And you don't have to have something big like this. You don't have to. They actually have wall plugs that are smaller
Mini warmer.
things. And
Half off.
there's sales going on right now. So, but by the time this airs, it'll probably be another week or so. Yeah. So like I said, check out Corinne's Scentsy information, or the Avon. It's skeeter season. Mosquitoes are out there. So anyways, yeah, so thank you for watching. Please like this video. Give me those thumbs up. And remember, adventure is always out there. Peace.